Today, we get to install something awesome on this Haas TL-1 control. It's they're a new carbon fiber. Make sure your power is in the off position for lockout, tag out. It's gonna require a T25 bit. These two center bolts are the longest, so you'll wanna set those a little bit off to the right-hand side. And then this control plate comes right off. I would always recommend doing a test fit before you continue work anymore, just to make sure you don't have some kind of issue. And so far, looks good. The Haas logo has these 3 clips that hold it in place. So we'll go ahead and remove those. Sharing a tip of the day. When you remove the 3 locking washers, then the real fun begins, and that's to remove the Haas emblem. Once you remove those locking washers, you think, oh, this will pop right off. Couldn't be further from the truth. I wasn't able to get the emblem off, and then I started using a heat gun, heating up the front all the way around, the back side all the way around, and in the center. You'll definitely want to heat it up in the center on the back side, so then you can, behind door number 1, is you make this stuff more malleable, so then it frees up and you're able to remove that Haas emblem. And now it's ready to be added to the carbon fiber face. Now the Haas emblem is installed to the carbon fiber face. Let's install it onto the control. Installing the 2 long T35 fasteners first, followed by the other shorter T25s. And remove the lock and power up. She's alive! She's alive!